Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about joins in Pandas. Basically we are going to talk about inner join, outer join, left join and right joins. Now for those that have yet to see my joins video on SQL and Tableau, you can look at my timeline and you can take a look at that. But joins are a fundamental concept in data analysis or data science, and they remain consistent across various tools or platforms that you might be using, be it Tableau, SQL, Excel, Power BI, or even cloud platforms like Google BigQuery and AWS Athena. So it's basically the same regardless of the tool that you're going to use. There are four core types of joins, which are inner join, left join, right join, full outer join. Basically, what we are doing here is we are having a table or a data frame or a table, two tables, and we are trying to combine them, combine the two tables and try to drive analysis from both tables. So for inner join, we are only looking for matches in table A and table B. So we are looking at this part only. For left join, we take everything from table A and only matches from table B. And right join is just basically the opposite of left join. We are taking everything from table B and only matches from table A. For outer join, we are taking everything from table A and table B. So let's go ahead into my Jupyter notebook here and let's get started. All right, so I would two data frames here, data frame 1 and data frame 2. Let's just maybe print them out and see how they look like. Now, if you want a more visual video, look at my SQL joins video. So this is data frame 1 and this is data frame 2. So right, we need to join these two data frames on these keys. Now in SQL, we'll call this, we still call them keys, primary keys and foreign keys, basically the same. But let's go ahead and do an inner join. Now, for an inner join, as we said, you are going to only take matches from both tables. So now, to do that, you have to use the .merge method, your data frame 1 and data frame 2. And now you have to specify the key and also how you want to merge it. So in this case, it's an inner join. Now I want to print inner join. So remember, we are looking at only the matches. So if you look at our data, we have A and B, 1 and 4, 2 and 5. A and B, those are the matches. And 1, 2, 1, 2, and 4 and 5. These are the matches. A and B, 1, 2, A, B, 4, 5. These are the matches. All right, so that's inner join for you. Let's do an outer join. Again, you have to use the merge method and specify the data frame that you're going to join and also on which key. Still, or it's going to be key 1 and on how you want to merge it. So we're going to do an outer here and print outer join. All right, so for an outer join, full outer join, we have everything. So we have null values because we are pulling out everything from both tables. Let's do a left join. Again, pd.merge, your data frame 1, data frame 2, on which key, and how you specify it's a left join. Now let's print left join. Same thing with the right join. I'll just copy this one and change a little bit here. Right join, and on right we need a right join. Print right join. Now we said left join everything from data frame 1 and matches from data frame 2. On this one, we have everything from data frame 2 and matches from data frame 1. That's why we have all these nouns, because we don't have on everything from right join, we don't have some matches in left join. So basically we are doing this, and That's basically your joins, your primary joins. In SQL, we've still got other Cartesian joins and everything, but basically these are your joins, and this is how you do joins in Pandas. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.